Assalamualaikum and very good morning to everyone. It is an honor to welcome all of you to this presentation of our research title, Driving Digital Transformation in Healthcare, a training registration system for efficiency and data-driven decision making. First and foremost, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the esteemed judges, distinguished guests, and all participants for dedicating your valuable time to join us today. Your presence underscores the importance of the topic we are about to explore. This presentation will provide an in-depth look at how the system revolutionized healthcare training registration process, offering efficiency and insight through digital transformation. Okay, by addressing challenges in manual workflows, this solution enhances accessibility and data utilization, and as well contributing to improved operational management in healthcare. Let's delve into the key ideas behind this project and its potential to reshape healthcare administration. Thank you once again for being here, and I hope you find the presentation insightful and engaging. Let me introduce our team members. I am Muhammad Faris Hami from UiTM Kelantan branch. I will be presenting on behalf of my team, Najatul Afikah Muhammad Effendi, Nur Mashidayu Abu Bakar, Huda Hamidun, and Nur Maizatul Umi Muhammad Fauzi. Research is a journey of discovery, exploration, and critical thinking. And today I am excited to share the insights and findings of our research. Today's presentation will focus on the concept of employee training registration management system aimed at streamlining training workflows in healthcare. We will start the discussion with the introduction, followed by the key points that we gathered for the literature review, the research methodology discussion, and finally, the conclusion. Okay, with the advancement of technologies nowadays, it is highly hoped that the manual process of healthcare staff registering for training sessions could be replaced with integrated systems that can help enhance operational efficiency, accessibility, and data-driven decision making. Thus, this paper will focus on first one is the system's role in digital transformation within healthcare and sets a precedent for modernizing workflows and improving organizational effectiveness. And then lastly, emphasize the system's long-term benefits for efficiency, sustainability, and innovation. Okay. Nowadays, every organization has taken a step ahead and tried to utilize technology, especially AI, to the fullest. The healthcare sector is one of them. Looking at the problems that arise in using traditional employee training registration for the healthcare sector, we have come out with ideas to enhance workflow efficiency with the help of AI. Thus, our study will focus on the employee training management system that will assist in reducing the delays and arranging staff training, which also could help in supporting the data-driven decision making. We also believe that information system will contribute to achieving the overall transformation and digitalization in the healthcare sector. Based on the past studies, most of the authors have agreed that the use of technology in the healthcare sector have become a popular trend as it helps a lot in making every task easier and could help in reducing the workload for the healthcare professionals. Most of the authors also agreed that most of the healthcare sector has started to get used to machine learning in their daily working environment. For the methodology, our research employs a structured approach using methodologies tailored to achieve clear objective and efficient system design. Okay, let me guide you through the key elements. For the first one, approach waterfall methodology. We adopted the waterfall methodology due to its structured and sequential nature. The methodology follows clearly defined phases of requirement gathering, design, implementation, testing, and deployment. This approach ensures that objectives remain clear, workflows are stable, and process organized, minimizing uncertainty and ensuring progress is systematic. Okay, for the systematic overview and design goals, our second focus is the system objective, which revolves around replacing outdated manual processes with an automated and centralized solution. For the automated training registration, We want to eliminate paper-based workflows, reducing delays and errors, centralize data management, and allow real-time monitoring and streamline reporting, providing decision-making with accurate information. Improve accessibility, ensure that staff and administrator can easily interact with the system through an online platform, interface and usability design. The system prioritizes a user-friendly design and focusing on accessibility and efficiency for all users. A minimalist interface ensures user can navigate the system with ease, completing essential tasks such as registration and data management effortlessly. For tooltip and validation features help reduce errors during input, making experience intuitive for staff and administrators alike. As for the supporting diagram, this slide highlight the key diagrams that provide a clear understanding of the system designs and workflow. For the context diagram, will show how staff and admin interact with the employee training registration management systems. It maps out the flow of inputs and output between users and the system. And for the DFD, it will be visualize core workflows such as form submissions, status updates, and approval processes. It breaks down how data move within the system. For the ERD, lays out the database structure, detailing relationship between key entities such as staff, admins, and submitted forms. This is the backbone of the system data organization. And for the tools and technology, the system leverages certain technology. As for the front end, we build recommended built using HTML and CSS to deliver a responsive and user-friendly interface. This ensures seamless interaction between devices. As for the backend, we advise to use PHP to power the server-side logic, and for database using MySQL to store and manage data securely. Okay, this slide focuses on workflows designed for both staff and administrators in employee training registration management system. The goal of this system is to provide a centralized and user-friendly platform that meets the needs of healthcare professionals and administrative teams. By digitizing and streamlining these workflows, the system supports efficient training registration management processes. So the key workflows for staff is register and login. Staff members start by securely accessing the system. They can quickly set up accounts, log in without technical challenges, and ensuring ease of. And they can also submit training forms. Once logged in, staff can access available training forms, complete them, and submit them directly through the platform. Okay, and the track from form status. The system allows staff to monitor the status of their submission in real time. Okay, they receive updates on approval or required correction without delays. Okay, these are key workflows for admin. Okay, workflow for admin, they can approve staff registration. Admin can review and approve registration, ensure only valid and accurate submission move forward. And they also can create and manage forms. Admin can design training forms, update existing ones, and manage their availability. This flexibility allows quick adaptation to new training needs. Okay, and then the review submitted form is one of function for the admin. They for the submissions are easy to access and review within the systems. Admin can evaluate and take action on forms efficiently. And then lastly, generate reports. Admin can produce detailed report on staff training progress, participation, and gaps. Okay. Okay, this is the diagram of the data flow diagram, and it as we can see the admin registration and uh, the process begin with admin registering themselves and staff member into the system. Admin then create training forms, ensuring that all necessary fields and requirements are included. Data such as the registration details and form status flows seamlessly between the admin, staff, and system. Okay, and then the next is managing submitted form. Admin review and manage submitted forms. This include approving or rejecting submission based on set criteria, and staff can track the approval status of their submission in real time, ensuring the transparency and accountability. Next is viewing staff data and training data. Admins can access a comprehensive staff list and manage training participation record efficiently. Okay, and then submitted form and staff detail are consolidated within the system for quick reference and updates. And generating report and viewing them. The system allows admin to generate detailed report on training activities, participation, and status. This report provide insights for decision making and future planning. And for the staff interaction, staff can view available training forms, submit their completed forms, and monitor their form status. The system ensure that staff have access to the latest training information and updates, as well as to streamlining the process. As for the ERD, this diagram showcases the database structure of the employee registration management systems. For the staff entity, it represents all healthcare staff registered in the system. The key attributes include staff ID as a primary key, okay, and the other attribute is staff name, email, password, and so on and so forth. Okay, okay, and then link it to submitted form. Okay, they have a relationship and allowing the system to track which staff member submitted specific forms. As for the admin entity, represent administrators who manage the system and oversee training processes. For the primary key, we have admin ID, and the attributes will be username and password, email, so on and so forth. Okay, then admin has relationship with form entities and can generate many report. Okay, and then the other, we have form table entity, we have primary key from ID and foreign key from admin ID, and we have report table, we have report IDF primary key and admin IDF foreign key. For the submitted is the bridge between the staff and the form. So we going to have foreign key from both tables as the bridge from many to many relationships. As for this discussion, after conducting several studies, we identified that key findings that highlight the significant impact of this system is directly addresses a critical aspects, improving efficiency and enhancing accessibility. As for the efficiency, reduce registration delay and streamline approvals. Transitioning from manual to digital processes eliminates the delays caused by the physical paperwork. Okay, this is the most important one. Staff can complete registration forms online, ensuring submission are faster and more accurate. For the real-time validation, reduces error during data entry, which means fewer corrections and quicker processing. The streamlined approval workflows allow administrators to review, approve, or reject submission with just a few clicks, cutting down the response time significantly. By centralizing all the data, the system ensure the quick access to registration records and staff training details. So all this will save time and ultimately contributing to better service delivery and organizational productivity. Okay, for the accessibility role-based access for admin and staff, this system feature a robust role-based access control mechanism. For the staff, it means the simple interface to register for training and track their submission status, stay updated without unnecessary complexity. For admin, it offers tools to manage, monitor, and analyze training data, enabling them to make informed decision. Okay. On top of that, through this employee training management system, the transparency of decision making for both parties could be implemented. Okay, the system could also inspire the healthcare workflow as every working process should could be done such as in a short time compared to the traditional management system. The system could also contribute to a Go Green a campaign, as the paper-based system could be replaced by the computer system that are paperless. Finally, we have come to end of our presentation. all in all, the advancement of technology, especially AI, has been proof it could help a lot, not only to healthcare sector but also others. With system, we believe that long queue for staff waited their turn for training could be reduced and thus could help them to become more productive in their daily working as they got their training on time. With all health, with all that have been said, we really hope that this system can be more than just a tool for improving efficiency, but also a step forward to a better digital healthcare management system that can increase the operational excellence, sustainability, and continuous innovation. Thank you so much for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.